Hello everyone, I'm Sara, your AI guide. Welcome back to a new English lesson with Safar AI, your journey to better English. I'm here to help you learn how to talk about the future using going to. Let's begin with the key points. What is going to? Structure of going to. Time expressions with going to. Practice examples. Summary. What is going to? When we talk about something we already decided to do, we use going to. This shows a plan or an intention for the future. For example, I am going to visit my grandmother. She is going to study English next year. We are going to meet at the cafe. Structure of going to. Let's look at the form. I'm going to watch a movie. He, she, it is going to take a test. You, we, they are going to travel. The verb after going to is always in the base form. No, ing, no, ed. Time expressions with going to. We often use time expressions to say when something will happen. Examples. I'm going to visit my aunt next weekend. They are going to travel tomorrow. This afternoon, she is going to clean the house. In 2 days, we are going to take the test. Time expressions go at the end or beginning of the sentence. Practice examples. Now let's speak. Repeat after me. We are going to cook dinner tonight. He is going to call his friend later. This weekend, she is going to visit her cousin. I'm not going to cook tonight. I'm going to order food. You're doing a great job. Summary. Let's review today's key points. Use going to talk about future plans or intentions. I'm going to visit my friend next Saturday. Structure. Am, is, are, then going to, then base verb. They are going to start English classes in 2 weeks. Add time expressions to say when something will happen. We're going to go shopping tomorrow. Great work! Thanks for watching. Keep learning with Safar AI, your journey to better English. And remember, practice makes perfect.